So for the vocabulary, you are going to click on Weather Vocabulary. This will just give you a preview, so you will have to go to your Google Classroom, which will be labeled by Monday and then whatever the day is. So when you click on Weather Vocabulary in your Google Classroom, this is what will appear. Okay, now you each will have your own copy. What you're going to do is every single week you will be given words with definitions that are scientific definitions. Now that's a lot, so it's going to be hard to completely understand and remember the meaning of each of those. So what you're going to do is you're going to put them in your own words. All right, so for example, thermometer, it's a tool to measure the temperature of the air. So you can say, for example, a thermometer is used to measure the temperature, because you guys know what the temperature is already. Okay, now the way we're going to insert a picture is you're going to click Insert Image, and then there's several ways. You can use your camera, you can use your Google Drive, you can copy a URL, or you can search the web. So what I suggest is using search the web, and I'm going to look up a thermometer. Now lots of different pictures pop up, okay? Obviously this is science, so if we were to look at this picture, that looks like a thermometer that you might stick inside of a turkey at Thanksgiving. So we wouldn't use that for a scientific thermometer. This one looks like a thermometer that when you go to the doctor's office or the clinic or you're sick, you would use that one to stick in your mouth to find your body temperature. So instead, I'm going to choose one that you might use in science. Okay, so for example, this one is one that's hanging up. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click Insert, and then my thermometer pops up. You can change it. You can add more than one. It's your choice what you would like to do. So just keep in mind to put it in your own words, so that way when you look back and study, you understand it, and just have fun with it.